Hey everyone, and welcome back to Better Self Daily. I'm your host, Adrian Wicks, and I am really excited today because we are kicking off something new, something I've been wanting to do for a while. This is the very first episode of our brand new 10-part series called Mighty Mornings. Yeah, Mighty Mornings. And honestly, the whole premise of this series is pretty simple, but super powerful. Your morning, it really sets the tone for your entire day. We often talk about productivity and success, but so much of it really starts before noon, right? Think about it. How you begin your day, it dramatically impacts your energy, your focus, even your mood throughout the entire time's day. It's not just about waking up early, though that can totally be a part of it for some. It's more about what you do with that early time, or even just the first hour or two, after you roll out of bed. It's about taking control, really. We're going to explore how optimizing these crucial morning hours can, genuinely propel you towards a more successful and fulfilling day. When I say optimizing, I mean looking at everything from simple habits to more elaborate rituals and, of course, really smart time management strategies. The idea is to really craft a beginning that sets you up to win, whatever winning means for you that day. Maybe it's just feeling less stressed, So let's just scratch the surface today with some foundational ideas. First up, habits. These are those consistent actions you repeat daily without much thought, really, once they're ingrained. Think of them as automatic processes. Maybe it's drinking a big glass of water right after waking up to rehydrate your body, or doing a few minutes of light stretching to get your muscles moving, or, just taking 5 minutes to sit in quiet reflection, maybe some deep breathing. These small, consistent actions, they really build momentum. They lay a solid physical and mental foundation for the day ahead. When you consciously build these positive habits, you're essentially programming yourself for success, right? It's amazing what these tiny shifts can do. Then there are rituals. Now, rituals, they're a bit different from habits. They're often more intentional, a sequence of activities that have a deeper personal meaning for you. Think of it as a personal ceremony to prepare for your day. Maybe your ritual involves brewing a special type of tea, listening to a particular piece of music that truly inspires you, and then, spending time journaling your thoughts or reviewing your goals. It's about creating a sacred space, really, for yourself before the chaos of the day sort of sweeps in. It's not just a to-do list. It's a deliberate act of, self-care and intentional preparation. This really helps to ground you. And finally, time management in the morning. This is absolutely crucial, right? It's about being intentional with your minutes, not just letting them slip away to distractions like social media or unnecessary emails. We'll dive deeper into specific strategies in later episodes of Mighty Mornings, but for now, think about prioritizing. What's the one or two most important things you want to accomplish or plan before anything else distracts you? Could be outlining your workday, tackling a key personal task, or just setting your intentions for interactions. It's about being proactive, not reactive, with your morning hours. This intentionality, it truly empowers you. It gives you a sense of control and a significant psychological edge that can carry you right through until evening. So as we wrap up today's first Mighty Mornings episode, I really want you to just think about tomorrow morning. How can you tweak just one small thing to make it more intentional? We've only scratched the surface, and we'll dive much deeper into specific habits, rituals, and time management techniques in the upcoming episodes of this series. Thank you so much for tuning in to Better Self Daily. Please remember to subscribe and share if you found this helpful. Join me next time for more on mastering your mornings. Until then, remember to be kind to yourself. I'm Adrian Wicks, and I'll talk to you real soon.